Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12. Midday and temperatures outside right now getting pretty warm. 70s and 80s inland, 60s already there along the southern Oregon coastline. Will likely reach 70 degrees by the end of the day. All right, this air quality map has actually just updated, and we're not seeing even the air quality that was unhealthy for sensitive groups. This morning, it was unhealthy for Josephine County, a big bulk of Josephine County. So we're not seeing that anymore, and we're not even seeing the air quality that's unhealthy for sensitive groups in Lake County. So that's certainly some good news, but later today when all those fires start flaring up again, I think Josephine County will probably see some of the worst air quality, and also on this US 97 corridor from Doris up to Klamath Falls is starting to get into Lakeview. That's where a lot of the smoke is going to congregate, and on top of that, today is going to be pretty hot with temperatures in the 90s and triple digits inland, and then along the coast we're going to be pretty warm, and in part that's because we'll have winds gusting out of the north up to 35 miles per hour with a bit of a very subtle offshore flow, so that'll keep us warm. And then overnight temperatures are going to feel comfortable, pretty mild for this time of the year, but 50s and 60s across the board. The big story overnight will continue to be the smoke congregating in those same areas, eastern Siskiyou County, southern Klamath County, and southern Lake County as well. But air quality in Medford should be pretty good. Take a look at this. Along the coast, no fog, few clouds. The marine layer is going to be pretty weak tonight and moving forward through the rest of the week. All right, here is the big story moving forward into tomorrow. We have very dangerous fire weather conditions. So let me put it to you like this. This setup is looking dangerously similar to the one that we had on Friday when we had the mill fire and the mountain fire really explode. So just keep that in mind. Meteorologically, it's practically the same setup. We have a dry cold front moving through. That's going to pick up winds. The air mass is very dry to begin with. The vegetation is all critically dry, so fires can start and they could spread very, very rapidly. So because of that, here are some fire safety tips, and I typically don't beg my viewers, but I'm begging my viewers to listen to this as we move forward into Tuesday and Wednesday. Don't toss cigarettes on the ground. What are you thinking? Avoid parking hot vehicles on dry vegetation, and then gather your fire evacuation kit now. I'm sure a lot of people in Siskiyou County could tell you and could speak to just how helpful that could be. All right, don't just practice fire safety tomorrow, also practice heat safety. We have heat advisories all over the board, and also this excessive heat warning for western Siskiyou County. As highs could be anywhere between 102 to 114 degrees in western Siskiyou County. That includes parts of the Sayad Valley. And then for the rest of us, we could easily see temperatures in the triple digits, maybe mid triple digits within some of our west side valleys. So a high impact weather day that we're going to go through for tomorrow. And so if you plan on going camping over the next few days, just know you're not going to have a lot of refuge from the heat, as the Cascades and Siskiyou is also included within that heat advisory. It does look like things cool down a little bit into Thursday, but then we'll see a resurgence of the heat going back into Friday and Saturday. All right, here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. We will see plenty of sunshine throughout the rest of the work week. The marine layer is going to be pretty weak, so temperatures will also be in the 70s, but we'll see a return of clouds and some cooler temperatures for the weekend. For Siskiyou County, very dangerous weather over the next few days, not only because of the heat, also because of the fire danger. And then we're tracking another dry cold front for the weekend. So Saturday looks like another day that'll be hot, that'll be dry, that'll be windy. And so for the Klamath Basin, really for all the News Watch 12 viewing area, we're also concerned about Saturday in addition to Tuesday and Wednesday in regards to dangerous fire conditions. We'll also track the same thing for the Cascades and Siskiyous, abnormally warm over the next 7 days, keeping things in the 80s and 90s. And then for the Rogue Valley, extreme heat, extreme fire conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday, a little bit of a breather for Thursday and Friday, but then back into the swing of things for Saturday.